Welcome crafters, today we're going to make some standing heart accents out of chipboard and the Cricut Maker. I've gone ahead and cut out the hearts and the bases for the hearts. They're made out of 1.5 millimeter chipboard purchased from Cricut. Working on the bases right now, I'm going to clean them up with a knife tool, and when you cut with chipboard, it sometimes leaves a little fuzzy edge around, so I'm going to grab my nail file and just kind of buff those edges, those corners all the way around on the base and the heart if need be. Next, I'm going to grab both bases and glue them together with some hot glue. Let's test it out. We'll place the heart in the center just like that. Perfect. I've already gone ahead and cut out my cardstock to cover the top and bottom of the base. So we're going to add that next with just a little bit of glue. And let's add the cardstock cover to the front and back of the hearts. And then we'll add a nice little decorative, smaller cardstock cutout of a heart right over the top of that. I just love this cute little gnome cardstock. I got all this cardstock at Hobby Lobby, and each piece was under $1. Next, to cover up the chipboard you see on the sides and the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and grab some really thin decorative rope or string and glue it along the edge of the heart and then around the bottom of the base. And here's where you can get really creative. You could use metallic string, maybe a twisted cord, maybe some jute rope for your edging. Anything like that will work. And for our final touch, once we've wrapped the exposed parts of the chipboard with our decorative rope, we are going to use some cute dollar store glitter and felt hearts that I got. And we're going to add those to the base or the stem of the heart for our final touch. And we'll put those on the front and the back. I almost forgot, I did wording that says Happy Valentine's Day, so feel free to add that into your design. I hope y'all like this project. If you want to see more great crafting content like this, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.